Let's look at a tilt lock or transom saver. This is from Amazon. And these just labeled outboard motor support. Looks like one end is for Mercury, the other is for Honda, Yamaha, and others. This is a Tohatsu, which is basically a Honda. So let's see how this thing fits here. It just slips over these. Just like that. And then we can tilt the motor down. So that takes a load off of the hydraulics supporting the motor. It also provides kind of like a 3-point distribution of the load for the motor against the transom as well. So that's easy enough to do. You just need to remember to remove these before you go. Easy enough to do.